Hey everyone, this is my quick and easy way that I make tinctures at home. So the first thing you're going to want to do is grab your favorite herbs that you want to use. Here I'm going to use some ginseng root. The next thing you need is a alcohol source. So here I'm just using the cheapest vodka I could find. You probably want to get something with the highest alcohol content that you can get. Will make a stronger tincture, but for this demonstration I'm just using some cheap ingredients. Next, you want to grab your jar, put your herbs inside the jar, and then add your alcohol. And that's really all you need to do. After you cap it, you can just let the herbs sit in the alcohol for as long as you want. It won't go bad. I've had some herbs sit on the shelf for over a year. Over time, the alcohol will extract the compounds from the herb. So as you can see, the jar on the right, I've had for a couple weeks now. It's the same alcohol and ginseng roots. And you can see that yellow color is the compounds being leached out. Right here, I have a chaga mushroom tincture I was making. The alcohol used to be clear, but now it's brown with all the medicinal properties from the mushroom. To take the tincture, I usually will use an eyedropper or maybe take a small shot of it in a small glass. You can even use these tinctures in mixed drinks, it'll give it some medicinal properties. Here I'll just pour some out, and that's that.